In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive video not downloading. If you click download in Drive and nothing happens, or you see an error, the most common cause is blocked cookies or a browser add-on getting in the way. We'll adjust a setting in your browser and then try a private window to confirm everything works. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive. This is the quickest way to land on the official page without typing the address. In the results, choose the link that goes directly to drive.google.com. Make sure it's the genuine Google result with the lock icon so you know you're signing in securely. When the page loads, sign into your Google account if you're prompted. Being signed in ensures Drive can verify your access to the file before it starts the download. Now we'll update a cookie setting so Drive can complete downloads correctly. In the top right corner of your browser, click the three vertical dots to open the menu and go to Settings. In the left sidebar, open Privacy and Security, then click Cookies and Other Site Data. This section controls how sites store information in your browser. Instead of turning on all third-party cookies, we'll make a targeted exception just for Drive. Scroll down to the section labeled Sites Allowed to Use Third-Party Cookies and click Add. In the Site field, type drive.google.com. Check the box that says including third-party cookies on this site, then click Add to save it. This lets Drive set the cookies it needs for download and preview services, while keeping your broader privacy settings intact. Return to your Drive tab and try downloading the video again. In many cases, this single change resolves the issue immediately. If you still can't download, open an incognito or private window. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. A fresh window opens without your usual extensions and with a clean cookie store. Go to drive.google.com, sign in, and attempt the download from there. If it works in the private window, that tells you an extension or ad blocker in your regular browser session is interfering. For a quick workaround, you can keep using a private window when you need to download and later review your add-ons at your own pace. That's it. By allowing cookies specifically for Drive and testing in a private window, you should be able to get your Google Drive video downloads working again.